100% home equity loan financing, online home equity loans. 100% home equity loan financing will give you access to all of your home's value. So you can finance home repairs, a college education, or debt consolidation at low financing rates. And by searching online for your lender, you can find better deals on interest rates and closing costs. Finding 100% home equity financing online. When planning to cash out your home equity, research several lending companies before settling on one. Online, your search is much faster with easy access to quotes and customer service representatives. In a matter of an hour, you can have dozens of loan estimates waiting for your review. Home equity loans can have a lot more hidden fees than first mortgages. So it is important to compare annual costs and miscellaneous fees. The APR will give you the total cost of the loan, including closing costs. Fees for minimum balances, refinancing, and maintenance are in addition to the April. Why online lenders offer better deals. Online lending companies, which often include your neighborhood banks, offer better deals to remain competitive. Online loans are also cheaper since overhead costs are reduced when you complete your application online. These savings are pasted onto you, often in the form of a discount. Online mortgage brokers work out special deals with mortgage companies. They are also a good starting point for your home equity loan search. Most brokers will give you 3 or more loan offers to compare. In addition to lower rates, online loans are processed faster than going to a neighborhood banking office. By entering your application over a secure connection, your information is processed immediately through databases. In most cases, by the next business day you will receive a call informing you of the status of your loan. A final loan contract will soon follow in the mail for your approval. You can have your money in your hands in less than 2 weeks. Take some time to really research lenders before applying for a home equity loan. Know what terms and conditions are most favorable for you. Find the loan that gives you both low rates and fees.